how to fix her app messages not sending. So to fix this issue, what you can do is force quit the app. You see, when you open your her app and you find some kind of issue going on with the app, you can just simply swipe it off from the bottom of your screen, then swipe it up again to close it completely from your multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next thing what you can do is check your internet connection. Just turn your Wi-Fi off and on, or you can just simply switch from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data or vice versa to ensure a stable connection. Now the next what you can do is update or reinstall the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and find her app, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. If that fails, what you can do is just go to your existing her app and then tap and hold, then tap remove app to delete it from your device. Then go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then find her app and then re-download it again. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.